Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how you can drill your cases with CubeSuite. Firstly, head to the main menu and click the Train option. Here, you can pick which step of CFOP you would like to drill cases for. Once you've clicked one of the steps, click Drill Algorithms. You will now see the case categories available for your chosen CFOP step. Click one of these categories to load all the cases in that category. In the bottom right of the page, you'll see a small panel that shows each case that is currently loaded. If a case has both learned and trained ticked, it will show up as you drill cases. If you have purchased the Case Bias Premium feature, then CubeSuite will automatically identify your weaker cases and make them more likely to appear when drilling multiple. If you want to drill a particular case, click the Manage Case button on its panel. Then, in the Case Manager window, click Train this case. That will refresh the current page with only that case loaded. You can also access this window through the Manage Algorithms menu option in the training menus for F2L, OLL, and PLL. For more information on the Case Manager window, please watch the video linked in the description. If your timer setting is set to normal, you'll see a red timer label in the center of the page. Hold the spacebar for at least half a second to prime the timer. When you let go of the spacebar, the timer will start. Press any key to stop it again. Your solve time will be displayed for 1.5 seconds. The length of this pause can be changed in the timer behavior settings. Once the pause has finished, a new case will be displayed. If your timer setting is set to manual input, you will see a box in the center of the screen that you can type your solve times into. Once you have typed it in, press enter. The cursor will stay in this box, so no need to click in it after each solve. The image of the case can be toggled in the appearance settings. Below the timer, you can see some stats about the current case. You can click the Show Algorithm button to display your preferred algorithm for this case. Clicking Manage Case will open the Case Manager window for this case.